Now that you have completed your work plan as an IQA, it's very important that we do communicate this plan with your team of IQAs and of assessors, of course. Now, the very next step is for you to, of course, have meetings with your two IQAs to discuss their strengths, their limitations, but also their upcoming responsibilities, okay, within the IQA process. So just going back to the work plan, you might have someone who's new to the IQA process. Other IQAs, of course, might be more experienced here. Okay, so for criteria 2.1, we are asking you to identify team members' responsibilities for identified work activities. Okay, so what we'd like for you to do is to think about your two IQAs, okay, and we would like for you to complete two profiles on each IQA. Okay, you can of course use the template provided by TrainAid here. Okay, so for example, we have one of our IQAs, Martin, okay, and we would like for you to think about your own IQA. How long have they been qualified as an IQA? Tell us about their key roles and responsibilities within the business, your organisation. Think about the IQA strengths and the areas for development as well. So you as the IQA are independently going to complete this prior to meeting your fellow IQAs as well. Okay, perhaps think about, are there any tasks or roles which your IQA should avoid? Perhaps there's a new system in place that you as the lead IQA need to take responsibility for and master before you can teach your other IQAs here. So think about the roles, the responsibilities that they are going to be comfortable with, okay, and think about any areas for improvement, of course. In terms of this word count, we're looking for roughly 300 to 500 words per profile, okay, on each of your two IQAs. So do take your time with this, okay, and think about, once again, their strengths, how often they have been observed before, okay, and perhaps targets from their last observation as well.